Okay, we're over here, go to math.com, click on the algebra, let's go down to reducing rational expressions, and let's do 1.2. 1.2. Okay, so we got 20x to the 12th, y to the 7th, over 12, x to the 3rd, y to the 12th, and then we got this negative z to the 7th. Lovely. Alright. So 20x to the 12th. I feel like a deja vu moment coming on there. Y to the 7th, considering that's what we were supposed to write in the last problem. And then down below we've got 2x cubed. And actually, that was an x cubed in the last problem. How bizarre. Y to the 12th, what's the probability of that? And then negative z raised to the 7th power. Okay. So first thing, we can do some stuff here. We got 2 goes into 20 10 times. All right. Now, let's take a look at this without having to go through all the long steps on this. You got 12 x's in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So we can cancel 3 out in the denominator and cancel 3 out in the numerator, and that's going to end up being left with what? 8? No. What am I thinking? 9? 9. X to the 9th. See that? And then we've got 7 y's in the numerator, 12 y's in the denominator. We're going to cancel one of those out, or cancel all 7 out up here. And so what are we going to be left with down here in the denominator? You're going to be left with a y to the 5th. There'll be 5 y's left. Now let's take a look at this tricky little sucker here. Now remember, we talked about this earlier. If I had negative 1 raised to an odd power, that's going to end up giving me negative 1. Okay. Now I know depending on what z is, z could be a negative number, but let's not look at it that way right now. Alright, so anyway, okay, so we can break this up, and then what we're going to end up doing here is taking this negative 1 and let's just bring it out front. Okay, we'll put it right there, so that becomes z to the 7th power. Alright, z to the 7th power. Okay, I believe that's it. What is going on here? 20 and 12. What, am I like losing my mind? What is going on with this 12? It's driving me crazy. I don't know. I'm seeing 2's here. This is weird. Alright, we got to rethink this here real quick. This part. I once again didn't write enough information down. We got, let's see, 4. 4 goes into 25 times. 4 goes into 12 3 times. Okay? Yeah, negative. What are we at here? Negative, let's see, 5x to the 9th, 3y to the 5th, z to the 7th. Okay. What is going on with these 12s? Ones are disappearing. Anyway, we're over here, go to math.com, getting it figured out. See you in the next problem.